are pleased to show you the 2017 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.